Hello, my name's Rebecca Harrison. My background is in theatre costume, so I've made costumes for film, TV and theatre. I began to sew when I was at school, in primary school, and I also did a lot of sewing with my mum at home. One of the first things that I ever made was this little mouse, and I hand sewed her at primary school. I think I was 8 or 9 when I did her, and I treasure her. I just love her. Her stuffing's gone in her head, so she's a bit wobbly. My favourite things to sew are corsets, probably because of my period background, but I just love them. I've got one here. I love the structure of them, the shape the bones make. I just think they're beautiful, and the fact that through the ages they've changed to make women's shape different, and I find that really fascinating. My claim to fame is because I've obviously doing costumes for film and theatre, I've been lucky enough to meet a lot of famous people. So I've met people like Dame Judi Dench, Kate Winslet, Juliette Binoche, lots and lots of people, lots more than I can probably, I haven't got time to say them all. But yeah, just and all around the building where I used to work in London, you'd see lots of people: Christopher Lee, Sir Richard Attenborough, just lots and lots of people. So it was really lovely, I feel very privileged to do what I do. I love my job, and I'm very lucky that I get to do it every day. And I really enjoy being on Sewing Street and demonstrating how to make things, and hopefully inspire you to get sewing.